Registration is now open for the Huether Lasallian Conference. We're celebrating 50 years of gathering Lasallian educators from across the region.
Rejuvenated.
Wonderful, welcoming, joyful, and authentic.
Getting to learn, visiting with friends, networking.
Together and by association.
Community, the feeling of being welcomed and belonging, the feeling that you are where you're meant to be.
Just knowing you're part of a broader network, you see people from all over who are doing the same work. And it's really beautiful to be part of such a large network that cares not only so much just about education, but about children as the whole person.
It brings so much joy. I think that's such a hallmark of our Lasallian charism and Lasallian spirituality is community.
I think the connection that we make among each other as Lasallian educators to really recognize that we're not in this alone and that other ministries are seeking to do oftentimes similar things, and so really enriching one another and recognizing that we are moving together and by association.
I think the beauty of Huether is that John Baptist de La Salle was so innovative in bringing teachers and brothers under his own roof. And Huether today is an extension of that, where we can gather under the same roof with one another from different ministries, get out of our own circle, and realize that the global impact that we have as Lasallians comes from the power of community.